Hi friends, it's Rashmi here, welcoming you in my kitchen with one more Diwali treat, which is also a famous North Indian sweet and one of my favorites, that is Balushahi. This recipe is very close to my heart as I learned it from my mom who is not with us anymore. So today sharing with you all a tried and tested recipe which I have made over the years, and if you follow the recipe you will also make like the ones we get in mithai shops. It comes out great with crispy outside and flaky and moist inside. So let's start. A must recipe for Diwali is Balushahi friends. I always make it a few days before Diwali. It keeps really well from 7 to 10 days. So let's quickly see what things are needed for it. Here I have taken 250 gram of maida. This is 300 gram of sugar, 2 cups of water and few cardamoms needed for making syrup. It's 170 gram of dahi, half cup of ghee. तो सबसे पहले मैदे में घी को मिलाते हैं. First we will take the ghee and add it in maida, little by little mixing it. It's very easy recipe. अब देखिए कितनी कम चीज़ें चाहिए इसके लिए. You have to mix it very nicely so both are incorporated very well. Here goes the last amount of it. I don't use baking powder in it. Many people use it, but it will come out as nicely without using it. You'll see. Mix very nicely. You can form a ball out of it. Now we'll add the dahi in it. We have to knead the dough from dahi only, so we'll mix little by little. I always make it every Diwali. It's a very special recipe from my mom. Take an exact amount. You don't need to take water. दही और घी से ही ये मिक्स हो जाता है. The dough is fixed and it's very smooth as you all can see. Now we'll keep it for 2 hours to rest. In the meanwhile we'll make sugar syrup. First we'll add 2 cups of water in a big pan. Put on the gas. We'll add sugar in the water. We boil it on a high heat. It's boiling since 25 minutes on a medium heat. Now we'll add the crushed cardamoms in it. I've crushed it. It has become thick. Will not make 2-thread consistency. Single thread is okay. I'll put off the gas and keep it for later use. हमारे डो को रेस्ट करते हुए 2 घंटे हो चुके हैं. Let's open it and see. I'll divide it into 3 portions. Make small balls out of it. You can make either big or medium sized balls. Then we'll roll it. Now we will shape balushahis like round balls, pressing it gently between our palms like this. Now we have to press it with our thumb and make a small indent in the center through and through and give it a little twist. The balls are ready, so now we will prepare to fry it on a very low heat. We'll put on the gas now. The oil should not be very hot. One by one we'll fry on a very low heat. Slowly we'll turn it. How beautiful they have turned out. The trick is to fry it on a very low heat with patience. It will take some 15 to 20 minutes on a very low heat for every batch of balushahis to be fried. It's cooked through and through, so it's time to take it out. The sugar syrup has been lying for some time now. Let's put on the gas and warm it. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of milk in the sugar syrup to take out any impurities in it. Now the syrup is warm enough. We'll put off the gas now and immerse the balls one by one in it. Now we will put it in the pan carefully as the syrup is very hot. Now it's time for the balls to be soaked in the syrup, so we'll keep it for half an hour and let it rest. Now I'll take it out on a plate. These are all ready. Beauties. Here I have some chopped almonds, some pistachio and the silver leaf. Now I'll decorate it with it. If you want, you can sprinkle some cardamom powder also over it. So khasta, tasty and beautiful balushahis are ready, friends. You don't need to go to any halwai shop. You can make it at home with quality ingredients available. So hope you all will make it and you like the recipe. So hope you all liked the recipe and enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for watching me. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming recipes. A very happy and prosperous Diwali to you all. Stay safe.